Hello everybody, now we will be doing 24 helicopters versus Void. So in the early game we will be using of course the same towers as we did on the 54 phasers versus Void. So cool.
Also guys, also Crimson Commando. Don't forget we can also get a farm or tweeter, but we gotta be careful with farming. The farm sucks,
yeah.
Sometimes
an aviator, of course.
I'll farm immediately. Cause why not?
Oh, you suck. I don't like you.
Farm is good at the start, but useless at the early game. Completely useless.
He's for real. But this is the best spot. I mean, it is the best. Yes.
I mean, if it reached this part, then yes, it can.
I mean, it can almost reach. I just need to upgrade it. I love self-promoting. It's such a...
Sometimes it's good.
Guys, I don't think we can beat this boss.
Yes, we can. Oh, he's a mobile player. I can tell.
Yeah, looks like yeah, he's a mobile player. I know. Right, I guess I'll do a cut. So we are back. We killed the boss one, and now I'm getting a heli for hit detection. So yeah, that's cool.
I made $400. Awesome.
Cool.
Farms are kinda useful at the start, but useless at the end. I got scammed. How did you get scammed?
He got scammed.
For what?
The game didn't like you, I guess.
How did he get scammed? What did he do wrong?
So basically, he beat Curse Cracks, but he got 750. We have a problem. We can tank it. Yeah, we can tank it.
Yeah, we can tank it, but we will have like 10 HP.
Yeah, we'll have 10 HP. A classic tower battles moment.
Makes sense.
It's time to spam tweeters, yeah.
Look, it would be funny, in April Fools, they're gonna add another hidden, just in wave 10, another hidden. It would be a funny April Fools.
I don't see it being funny, but fine.
Oh yeah, it's not funny, but it's April Fools, definitely.
Cool.
Oh my god.
No, he's the chosen one. He will destroy the Sith and bring balance to the Force.
Oh yeah, guys, we are doing 24 helicopters because you know, the rework is gonna happen.
Yeah, I know. Of course we know, because why would we just do it now? Also, the rework will be like coming, and the update will be like coming very soon, because in like 30 days or something. So yeah.
He brought emotional support. That's awesome.
Cool. He brought women. I get lots of women, you know. No, I don't. That was a lie. I don't get any women. That's the sad truth that no one likes me. I have something very important to tell you. What?
What?
What? Mr. Mr. Red Mask. Paint bowler.
What? What? Yes, tell us. What?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excusez-moi.
Just tell us.
Just tell us.
Fine.
Just tell us. Just tell us. Just tell us. Is it that hard? Watch me spin. Cool.
No way, yo.
Cool.
Oh, we're gonna. Oh, boss 2 is coming.
Oh yeah, boss 2 is coming this way. We can
Lewis.
kill boss 2.
Lewis.
Don't worry.
Lewis.
Lowish.
Boss 2 is coming. I know, Peter.
Damn it.
Boss 2 is coming. It's here already. What are you looking at then? Peter. Boss 2 is coming. I know. Peter. Boss 2 is coming. I know, Peter.
Shut up.
I think I did that too much. I'll get helicopter, even though it's not enough.
Okay, cool.
I'll place
Get
it
a
over here.
tweeter.
I guess.
Here.
It doesn't get affected by hidden.
Yeah, I know.
Then what's the point of placing here then?
So we can kill boss 2.
I'm gonna sell this tweeter for this.
We need a helicopter. Please get it, or else
I'll
we'll die.
get it.
Actually, I'm not sure if that one helicopter can do it.
Yeah, it's not enough. But it can spawn another one, so it's okay.
So
I'll upgrade it. I'll upgrade
actually,
it.
maybe I don't have enough money for another one.
I upgraded it. So
Scarecrow.
it shoots 2 times faster now.
Yeah, but still.
Let's attack. Let me target it. Dang, I can't target on strongest, man. It's not cool.
I would want to sell my tweeters, but then.
Yeah, we're good.
We can do it. We can do it. Yeah, we can do it. I think.
Yeah, it can.
Yeah, we just need one more helicopter, and Craig Gunner will slow it down. We can.
10 seconds. 9,
Oh.
8, 6.
All right, we can do it. I think we can do it.
We good. We good.
Come on. All right, yeah, we good. That was a close one.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be a hidden boss soon. It's gonna be
No, we'll be good. We'll be good.
Oh, there's a lot. Oh, there's a lot of tweeters, max tweeters. Then we can get. And DJ says, I hate this tower.
So why did you bring it?
Why not? Cause why not?
Nooben logic, like.
What if we need it? That's so stupid, but I'm saying.
We never need a DJ. Very human saves the day.
You know, that's anime. That's kind of an anime tower or something.
4K, caught in 4K.
How is that?
4K.
What the hell is wrong with you? How is that caught in 4K?
I don't know. I don't know. She's a fairy.
Yeah, she's a fairy. But
oh my god, that's a refranace. Yes.
No, it's not. She's not a fairy. She's a.
She's a fairy. No, that's a fairy. The skin says that it's a fairy. For real.
It's anime.
It's not anime.
Yes, it is.
Bro, what? Okay.
It's an anime type. I forgot the.
So we are on wave 26 and we are doing pretty good. Now I'll just spam tweeters for more money.
Into DJ because I think that it has copyrighted music.
Ah. Very good.
I think it has.
Well, now it's muted for me, so cool. I'm
Good.
getting way more tweeters for more money.
Yeah, because we need money.
Why did he? Okay, cool. Yay, that's quite a lot of tweeters there. Oh my, how does he have so much max tweeters, bro? What the fuck? I think I know why. Because I spent more money on Aviator at the beginning, so I didn't get as much as money as they did. That makes sense, I guess. It's quite a lot of tweeters. I'll get even more.
Don't upgrade your tweeters. I'll upgrade my DJ.
Okay.
Yeah, upgrade it.
Now I can get this, then at a cheaper price.
Why does DJ give 5% more at level 4? What the fuck?
I don't know. I mean, that's how it was in the original Tower Battle, so I guess that makes sense. Oh my god, I'm getting so much money right now because I got way more tweeters. I love this.
10 more. At level 4 Tower Battles, it gave 10% more.
Can you max out DJ so?
I am fucking poor.
Aaron, could you please max out this handsome DJ guy?
I am poor. I have 5,000 monies.
Well, you suck.
How can I like defend?
Guys, what?
What? What's happening?
A new enemy.
I don't care.
Oh, I need to upgrade features. So. Can you max out DJ now?
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna waste my money and then ruin my eco.
Oh, that sucks.
I'm just gonna ruin my eco.
Yeah, I know. I was hoping for that. I was hoping for that, dude.
But it costs like 20,000 bucks. Why should I do that?
I cannot place any more tweeters, so I'll just max them out.
Yeah, fine. I'll just lose money.
I'll save up money for now. I'll just keep my tweeters here.
Okay, I sold my farms at the back.
Okay, alright. I think all my tweeters are maxed out. Oh, never mind. This one is not maxed out, and now I think all of them are maxed out. Yep. Cool. So I guess I'll know.
Guys. We sell everything except I don't know how to spell that, but I did that.
No! I need money.
Last minute, by the way.
Oh, you could have said that.
I forgot. You will sell everything.
Could have said that.
Oh, I'm way too fast. Okay, I'm sorry.
Bus 3 will just get destroyed and another oven. So he's going to be famous because he's going to be in my video. Does he know that I have barely any subscribers? So it's way 38 and now I'm selling my tweeters and everything to get helicopters. So I guess it's time. I think I sold every up, so it's time to get helicopters.
Sell everything,
yeah.
even Scarecrow, yeah.
Because Scarecrow deals damage.
And Cryogun is so...
Yeah.
So quick.
So all these fools. I'll just place a helicopter pad right in the middle of the road.
Not heli.
Like that. Bang. Helicopter pad in the middle of the road. Amazing. I'm poor!
Well, so is Scarecrow, I'm
Can't place the last heli. That sucks.
Okay, fine. Finally.
Cool. So that's a lot of helis. I hope that my recording isn't lagging right now, because if it is, I'll kill myself.
Okay, oh.
My god, that's a lot of helis.
I got 4 max helicopters.
I have 6 max helicopters. That means I cannot get any more. Cool.
This looks so good. This looks so cursed.
Yeah.
I'm actually curious, how fast can we shred the void? That's a good question, isn't it?
Yeah, we'll probably... I bet we'll kill it like here or something.
Oh, you're predicting it. You're gonna predict the future. Actually, what's the noise of it? Let's see. I'll turn it off. Let's see. Wow, that's pretty... That sounds so weird. What? That's not even in the range? Okay then.
What the fuck was that voice?
I got confused, sorry.
Yeah, that was interesting.
Okay then. We got 24 helicopters,
I think my recording is laggy right now, that sucks.
Everyone got 24... no.
6 helicopters. Yes.
6 helis. Why did you say 6 commanders?
What do you mean 6 commanders?
That. Lag. Well, no shit. Alright, I'm gonna sell my farms, cause why not?
Yes, I have 6 helis. Oh, let's wave the last wave, that's cool. All of these helis will, oh, that's a lot of helis. Most of them are man and sleepies.
You know, oh, he's cheating! He's cheating! He's cheating!
What did he place?
Stop cheating! He has gone commando. He has gone commando.
Wait, where? Bro, sell golden commando. Bro!
Please.
Bro, because of this guy, all the recording has been just a clickbait because of him. Bro.
What the fuck?
Bro. For what?
What the?
Where we record. He's also placing golden commando. Bro, he's also placing Why? He's also placing golden commando. Why are you placing golden commando, bro?
Wait.
For what did we record?
It's content, not clickbait.
For what did we record? Like, sell these golden commandos. I'm not sure if Sleepy still has these golden commandos here because I cannot see him. Because this stupid game sucks.
I'll check every place. What does he have? Just in case. I hate him now.
Why did we record him? I saw Sleepy getting commanders here, over here. Sleepy getting commanders here, but I cannot see whatever is inside these cliffs. You try.
What? Nothing is here. Yeah, nothing is here.
I think nothing's here too. Nothing's here too. Alright, I think that's all. Bro, we almost made a clickbait video because of them.
Yeah, that's pretty clickbaity.
Yeah, but bro, like,
it's not cool. That's not cool.
yeah, that was not cool. That was not cool.
He's not even selling his farms. What the hell is wrong with him?
Wait, what if they have? I don't think. Yeah, my predictions were close. My predictions were close, that's cool. So how the hell do the helis crash in the void?
On his head.
On his crown, not even his head. Oh well, we did it! Easy peasy. Yeah. What do you guys... yeah, cool.
The emotion is spelled that wrong.
Yeah, you spelled it wrong.
Oh well, I don't care. Oh look, how beautiful is this? I'm gonna sell my helicopters. So you know.
Triumph 325 credits, cool. Very cool. So that was the end of the video. Like and subscribe or else I'll go to your house.